Today I'll be sharing with you how did I get more than 1,000 views in less than 2 months using these tools. So the first tool that we'll be talking about is TubeBuddy. So that's a very good tool that you can use. Basically, what you do is to download it is you just go on Google and you just search for TubeBuddy extension for Chrome, and then you just basically you go to TubeBuddy Google Chrome extension, and then you add it to your Chrome, and it gets added, which is this one over here. So when you actually go over the YouTube, what basically would happen, it will look like something like this. So it will look something like that. So that what you will see basically from here. So you're gonna see the search volume. So that's how many people basically search for it per month. It's about around 234 K. So around 234K people. And here also tells you the competition. So it would tell you if it's so if it's in green, that means that's good because there's not a lot of competition, and if it's around the red, that means it's bad because there's a lot of competition going on that topic. So I gave her an example for how to edit videos for YouTube because I just wanted to show you an example, and then it will show you in the overall if that topic is good or is it bad. So if it's bad, then that means there's a lot of competition on it, and you probably shouldn't be doing it, or if you want to take the risk and do it, that's up to you, but it just tells you like where it does stand. So obviously you want it to be somewhere in here, or good is okay as well. The other thing I love about TubeBuddy is that it does give you related search. So if you are looking for other topic related to that topic and you're not sure of the ideas, it will give you similar ideas on what to do, right? How to edit videos for YouTube on iPhone, on Android, on iMovie. It will give you like different ideas, right? Also, the other thing that I love so much, it does give you the tags. So this is basically are the highest tags that people search for. So the higher it goes, the better it is, and you can literally just copy it. Like you can just copy them from here, copy, or just press copy, and you'll see that means it's taken. You took it already, and what you do is you come over here and you just paste it. Like you literally just can paste it. Sorry. You just use Control V and then you paste it. So obviously because I already have them, so I'm just gonna remove them because then they went actually over. But that's one way to do the tags using TubeBuddy. Another way doing it though is through over here. So when you come over here underneath your actual video, so after you put your title, description, thumbnail, the audience, what you do actually, if you go over here, once you install it, that's how it will look like. And then you can literally search by either reference to that video, and it will show you, or by the score. So I normally do it by the score. The reason why, because it gets to show the highest score at the top. So the more it is, the higher it is, the better it is. That means it's one of the top tags that gets searched a lot. So you can literally just see different stuff, right? Different numbers. So that means the higher it is, the better it is. Also, another thing that I really love about that is you do get a checklist. So there's an 8 steps that you can see. So I'm just going to show you basically. So it calculates it for you. So add an end screen, upload a high thumbnail, and if you do check that mark, I mean, it's good, and it gives you tips basically on how to be able to add more, because the more you add, the better it is, and it kind of gives you suggestion on how to basically be able to get more views. So the second tool that I use is called VID IQ. And the reason I love using both of them, I'll explain to you why in a moment. Because the VID IQ, basically what it does, it goes even more in details. So basically it shows you the highest view for that video, the average views, the average subscribers, and at it last 7 days. So it does show you, kind of gives you more in-depth about the toppings that you want. And also the good thing is you can enable inline keywords, like I'll just show you the difference. So that's without inlining the keywords, but if you turn that on, you can literally just see from over here how many that person's subscriber has. This is more like the likes ratio, so that's how much people have got likes versus dislikes. So they got about 98 likes on the video. Also, it shows you the tags that the person has used on their video, so you don't really have to enter the video to see the tags that person has used. You can just see them from here, and you can just basically copy them and take them and use them. And that's the reason why I like this one, because it gives you that basically, like, you can see over here, right, with the key with the tube body, but you also get that extra from vidIQ. Also, you get the similar thing, top related opportunities. So again, if you're not sure about what is the next video that you want to do, you can literally just see the next one and it will tell you the search volume. The other thing I like about vidIQ is that it gives you the option to add competitors. So if you have the free one, you get 3 competitors. I'm just going to show you in a minute. It's loading, I guess. You can also see it from here as well. So you literally get to add your competitors over here, or you think that they are competitors, and it will show you basically what video has worked for them, and it kind of tells you what video you can actually do, because this is what have worked. So VBH is the higher it is, the better it is. That's how people have viewed per an hour. So the bigger number it is, the better it is. And again, it does show you how many views they got it. So over here you can see it doesn't matter how many views they got. They could be getting more views per an hour on a less viewers, right? So you don't really aim for the viewers, you more aim for the watching hours, because that's what matters to YouTube, your watching hour and your subscriptions, because that's how you get monetized, right? So you want to be doing videos related to what is trending right now. So it shows you what's trending right now, what people are kind of looking for, and you can get inspired by this idea. So you can do this week, this month, and all time. So you can see how is it been doing for the past month, or you can just do past 48 hours. Again, if you want to just go by views or did upload it, you can choose between different ones, and you can literally just add and delete as many as you can. But again, remember, if you have the free one, you only get 3 maximum. So you gotta upgrade it a little bit. I was able to get more than 3. The other thing that I use it for as well, look at here, there's tag counts, tag volume, keywords and title, keywords and description, and triple keywords. So these are very important. I'm going to explain them for you. So basically, the first thing you want to be doing when you're doing a YouTube video is you want to make sure to add as many tags as possible in your title. You do get up to 100, so you want to basically add as many tags in your title for your topic. And then when you get to description, you basically want to add more tags by explaining more the video and also talking what it's about. So that way, when you search for YouTube on example how to edit videos, so the reason you want to add tags in your description is because when you, let's say you're searching for this or people are searching for this, you see this highlighting over here. It's kind of like in a bold. YouTube highlights that for you. You don't highlight it yourself. That's not highlighted in their description, but because you are searching for edits and they have used the editing in their description, YouTube are basically highlighting that for the searcher, and they telling them, hey, this video is talking about what you are looking for. So that's the other thing that you want to be doing. So you want to make sure that you add as many tags in the title and also in the description to get more of basically people to see what you kind of talking about in the video, and you want to triple them. Here are the also overview of the SEO score. Like in this one, I almost got 4.3, and again, I do not have the upgraded one in this one just because TubeBuddy is good for me. But again, if you want to double that, you can just also upgrade it. And it does give you over here as well the checklist, so it does give you what is missing, and you can just add more. The more you add, the higher score you get with the SEO. And again, you can literally just explore a keyword with the TubeBuddy. So you basically search over here, and let's say there is a one over here that you have used. You can actually use Read IQ, and I'll show you what happens in a second. So you see this morning meditation gratitude. So if you come over here, you will see what's the search volume for that one and the competition in this basically topping and the overall score. So again, the higher the overall score, the better it is. And again, you can literally just see the search volume high, so you can just do that list and sort it by related keywords or most used. So if you press on the most used, it will show you over here. So show you like this, or you can do it by the search volume. Sorry, it takes a second to do it. And you would see from the highest to the lowest basically, and it'll just show you. So this is also another thing that you can do as well with this one. And that's it for this one. The third one that I like to use is something called keywords. And again, the way that you download it is basically using Google Chrome again. So you'll see it over here. Keywords everywhere. And guys, I'll be putting the links in the description. So make sure to check the description below to see the links. So I like that one because when you search for the topping on Google, you get related keywords, and you can just export it to CSV, so that way you get it on your laptop and you don't have to keep looking back for it. Also, you kind of can get so many ideas from here. Look at this. So this is so many topics that you can literally just kind of see and look at and kind of get an ideas from for other videos. And that is the third one that I use. Also, when you actually go to search on YouTube, it does show you the top channels that are doing right now, the maximum view, the average view, and the average years, keywords and titles. It does not give you so much details in the like YouTube itself, but if you extend it, it will give you more in details. I like it more beneficial on Google itself when you use it. So that is the third tool that I use as well to get ideas. And also I can see one keyword here that I did not catch in either of these ones, and I can just use it. So that's it for today. Make sure to check the description below because I'll be putting the links for each one of those tools. And if you need any help with anything else, please let me know. I do a video every single week. And make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification to receive my new videos. And also check my other videos that I put as well. And I'll be seeing you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.